What's up, y'all? KiloWattRC back at it. Got the Arrma Kraton on 12F. Mad Max20 ESC. Geared it up a little bit. The last run was pretty wild, so we was okay with that. So this ain't the best field, you know. It's okay. We got a lot of other spots we can run at. So we're gonna hit track, start, stop, read, 2 miles an hour, track, speed registering, start. Let's go ahead and go. See what we can do. Like I said, this ain't the best track. Like this area is like, I don't know. Let's go ahead and go. It's a very small field. See what speed we can get. Are y'all ready? Let's go. Very small field. All right. Let's see what that was. Very small field, so just excuse me. Stop, read, 77 miles an hour. Cooking out here. Track, start. Just stand near me, okay, Jaden? Please. Stand behind me, Jaden. Stand behind me, Jaden. Stand behind me. All right, let's go.
Look at all that dirt. Wow. Look at all that dirt.
Yeah.
Why is all the dirt coming up? Is it because the wheels? Is it because those wheels, right, Dad?
Uh-huh.
Wow. That's so cool. Oh. It's so fun.
Ooh!
Oh! Is he gonna flip over? Can I flip it over?
Sure. Let's see the speed. I mean, you know, we might not beat 77, but hey, you see this thing is dipping with the current gearing that we have. Stop, read, 76. We'll take it. She's definitely running pretty good. So I'm gonna let my son go ahead and run. We're gonna go get his truck he can run. All right, so we'll be back in a little bit, okay? Cool.
Whoa!
Let's get back. All right, y'all, here we have it. Last run, 76 miles an hour. Let's go ahead and redo that. I'm gonna hit track, start, stop, stop, read, 5 miles an hour, track. All right, 1.5, start. All right, so see what we can get. Let's give it a shot. This is the Mad Max20 ESC on 12S with the Hobby Wing 56 118 800 kV in the Arrma Kraton with the Kill Mad Dog spikes. So we did 77 earlier. Let's see if we can beat that. All right, let's go. See what speed we got. What you think that was? 75, 76, or 77?
77.
Stop. Read. 80 miles an hour, boy. That was 80. Nice. Let's do another one and see how it does, all right? That was 80 miles an hour, all right? Gonna hit track. Start. Oh, shit. Stop. Read. 3 mile an hour. Track. Let's see the speed register. Damn. All right, start. 80 miles an hour. Not bad at all. This ESC is doing pretty good. Step on back, Jaden. Just careful, Jaden, because this thing is deadly. You know that, right? This thing will hurt if it hits you. Are y'all ready? All right, let's go. Oop, that one didn't work out so well. All right, stop, read, 58.
58.
Start. Stop, read, 2 mile an hour. Track. Speed register and start. Just make sure you stay back, Jaden. This thing is ridiculous. Just stay back with me, okay? All right, let's go. Oh.
That was a jump.
Yeah, that wasn't what I wanted. Let's try it again.
What happened to it?
All right, let's go. Let's try it again. Careful, watch yourself.
Wait, what is that thing on the back of it?
I don't know. We can't do a speed run here, it sucks.
Get out the dirt. I can't see. yeah, what's the hour?
All right. Stop. Read 75 miles an hour. All right, y'all. Here you have it. The Arrma Kraton with the Mad Max20 ESC on 12S with a hobby wing, 56118, 800 kV on 12S. Right now I'm cooling the motor. We got a PB of about 80 miles an hour off-road with this thing. She's running pretty good. Just trying to understand how to use the data logging. So right now I'm having issues with the data logging. I will keep you guys updated on the data logging feature. But the ESC is definitely performing really, really, really good. So yeah, we'll take it 80 miles an hour. Got the Saga Mod 1.5 pinion on here. And you can't really see it, but it's a WFO Racing Mod 1.5 spur on here. Alright, so yeah, we'll keep you guys updated on the process or the progress with this ESC. Y'all take it easy and peace.